What's up guys, Meredith with AmericanTrucks.com, and today we are checking out the Red Rock side view mirror cover in chrome fitting all 2019 and newer Ram 1500s excluding the classic models. Now if your Ram came with chrome accents from the factory and you're looking to add more to them, or if you wish that it came with more, this set will be a super affordable and very easy solution for that. Now these are going to be great for the Ram owner chasing that classic polished appearance while also wanting to achieve that with parts that aren't going to be a hassle to put on the truck. Now these will feature a molded design which will cup the back of the mirror perfectly, looking like they came right out of the factory. Now they're also going to have some pretty smooth body lines and line up very well with the seams of the mirror, again just for that perfect fit. Now they're also going to do a great job as a protective layer, even though that's not its main function. So the back of the mirror is going to stay looking just as it did on day one if you're looking for some small protective aspects for your truck as well. Now these are going to be made of an ABS plastic material with a chrome plated finish. Now ABS is great for these types of mods because it's flexible and resilient, so it's going to offer some great fitment and has the durability to hold up to the elements and any kick up, which I'm sure these will see on the road. Now the back is also going to have strips of automotive grade adhesive which will secure these onto the mirror, so you're not going to have to modify anything at all when it comes to the install. Now this kit will come in at about $100, which is pretty average for a mirror cover. Now compared to others available, most mirror covers are similar. It just comes down to your style preference mostly, but compared to other solutions like replacing the mirror, this is going to be an incredibly affordable one compared to swapping out the entire mirror if you just want the looks of that chrome finish. Now not only will it be affordable, but it's going to be easy to install compared to wiring up a new mirror, especially with the newer Ram and all of its functions, making these a great answer for that polished look. Now, as I've been saying, this is going to have a super hassle-free installation at a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter. Probably going to take you about 15 minutes to get the mirror prepped and cleaned and these installed. Now, speaking of the install, one of our customers here has installed this on their Ram and is going to walk you through what that process looks like step by step. So that is going to wrap it up for my review. Let's go ahead and get into the install.
Hello, my name is Eric, and today we are going to be putting on the second half, the driver's side of an exterior trim piece. It's a chrome cover. Give it the same look as the Hemi badge and the Ram. I've already installed the rear side of it that faces the cab. But just looking for a little more matching shine with the other chrome. So this is a fast project, very easy, and the tools that you need are limited. Just using a safety blade, regular razor, a little dentistry tool that's like a small pick with a point at the end, and then isopropyl alcohol, 91% in a glass bottle. So that's the first thing that we're gonna do is take our alcohol and we're gonna spray the mirror down. This isn't gonna damage anything on the exterior of your car, it's just gonna evaporate. But we're gonna get all the built up wax, dirt, and grime off of the mirror casing, which we have to do in order for the adhesive strips on the back of our trim piece to adhere to the mirror itself. So we just wipe it down. Okay, so this is the back of the cover, front of the cover, and when you buy the kit, you get both the driver's side and the passenger side. So this is the second one we're doing, and this is the driver's side, so it's gonna look like that. Next thing we're gonna do is use our funky tool. You could also use the razor. You can use your fingernail, but it would take me about a half hour with my gnawed off fingernails to get underneath these. So what I do is I take the pick and I try and slide the point right underneath the corner, which is usually where you can get a grip. And then that'll pop up and I fold it over like that. And then I sometimes use my fingers to pull it off, or sometimes it just pops right off without even having to do that. So I'm gonna quickly take all of these off a moment. I suppose one other thing when you're doing this is it's kind of key to have a lot of light. Okay, there we go. That's the inside. All the strip coverings are taken off. Next thing that not everybody knows, adhesive strips. It is the pressure that you apply on the adhesive strip that activates the adhesion in it. So to just kind of stick it on there and call it good, not good. You're going to want to put it on very lightly so you can move it around. And then you're going to press firmly and you want to hold it for a little bit, probably 15 to 30 seconds to get that to really adhere. So again, I'm going to line it up, just kind of lightly placing it, and you can feel and you can see where this is supposed to come together on the mirror. There are actually little grooves here that this slides right into, so you know you've got a perfect factory fit. So I'm just squeezing all the areas where I know there's adhesive strip underneath it. Make sure we get it activated, and I'm continuing to put some pressure on it. All right, now we got some handprints. Little isopropyl alcohol, little white. All right, that's it.
So that's gonna wrap it up for my review and the install of these Red Rock Side View mirror covers in chrome, fitting all 2019 and newer Ram 1500s, excluding the classic models, and you can find these right here at AmericanTrucks.com.